Most people after 50 fail because they lack motivation. They fail because they're not showing up. Motivation fades. Life gets busy. Energy isn't what it used to be. But consistency still works. Not perfection, not intensity, consistency. That's how I rebuilt my health. Small steps, done daily, even on days I didn't feel like it. And that's how I'm building this channel. No viral tricks, no shortcuts, just showing up and doing the work. If you're trying to rebuild your health after 50, you already understand this. I'm building this channel the same way I built my health, one consistent step at a time.